and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be talking about the selfie light I recently purchased from Amazon. तो अगर आप बिगिनर कंटेंट क्रिएटर हैं या फिर अपनी सेल्फी की लाइट इम्प्रूव करना चाहते हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है. एज यू कैन सी दिस इज आवर सेल्फी रिंग लाइट. ये आई होप इट्स विजिबल. Going to show you how this light looks. So here I am going to open. See what's inside this box. Here you can see this is our compact light and it's come with cable for charging. You can see that this ring light is compact, portable and easy to carry, easy to use. Do you want to know what the best part? This ring light we can buy from Amazon only in 500. You can see it. Let me show you how we can use this light. So we have to just clip it in your phone. You can see it. Just clip it in your phone. You can just adjust the brightness. There is a button. You can see it. There's a button. We have to just press it. You can use it from both sides, this side and also this button. So I am going to show you how to adjust the brightness level. There's 3 levels in this compact ring light. So here I am going to show you. You can see that's the first level and we have to click twice to second level and this third. That's your professional look. So this ring light is perfect for all type of lighting scenarios like indoor, outdoor. You can see here that there's 2 pictures with outdoor with light and without light, and let's change it. There's also one picture with indoor with light and without light. Whether you are in indoor and outdoor, this light make your selfies brighter, better. So no more dullness in your selfies and darkness because we have this light. You can purchase it from Amazon. If you are beginner content creator or just want to improve your lighting in selfies, so this light is totally for you. I highly recommend this light for you all. It's affordable, portable and easy to use, easy to carry, and with its bright and flattering light your photos will look amazing every time. So the link of this selfie light I describe in description box. You can see there. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more great content. Bye bye.